what legal things should I secure first? Let's say I want to, and based on this priority now, I will list the priority as a business
Okay.
name now. So what do you think I should do first? Is it the trademark or the business name or the social media? And what do you think should come first if I want to register? What do you think I should, if I, okay, let's say I want to, as an entrepreneur now, I want to build a company, I want to have a brand. Should I just give myself a name and just forget about the registration of the name and go and open my social media handle or my domain or my trade? What should I do first? Is it the business name or the trademark? Which one?
Okay. Well, I would advise, if you are an entrepreneur and you approached me, I would advise you to start with the business name first.
Business name.
Because, yes, start with the business name. Because when you register the business name, it gives you legal protection to operate. And at the point of registration, now you may see someone is maybe operating in that name or something. So it is advisable that you start with the business name. Then my advice after registering the business name would be to, okay, I'm sorry, under registering of the business name now, there are different registrations. Okay, you can either choose to register a business name, or you can choose to register a company, or you can choose to register an incorporated trustee. That's if you want to do something charitable, you want to have a foundation, an NGO, an incorporated trustee, or you register a company limited by guarantee. It still has similarities with an incorporated trustee, but the difference is that a company limited by guarantee can allow you to do little business to promote the objects of the company. And both an incorporated trustee and company limited by guarantee cannot share its profits among its members. So basically, you can choose to go to the CAC and register either a business name or a company limited by shares, or an IT, or a company limited by guarantee. Then next, I would advise that you go to the trademarks registry and, yes, reserve your trademark, register your trademark. That's one thing. That's the sequence I would advise. Then the domain, then your social media handles, then. But those first two, very important.
The funniest part is most of us, but if you want to start a business, the first thing we do is social media handle.
Yes, yeah, that is it. And the risks in that is that, imagine someone has already registered that business or
Already.
trademarked it. You are working for the person.
So is there
You are
a
working
way
for
to
the person.
search first before?
Yes.
Yeah.
In fact, for any registration you're doing, that is the first step. Your lawyer or your intellectual property consultant would conduct a search and make sure that that name is not reserved or restricted, because some brand names might be restricted. Maybe you're doing something that is already, maybe you're using a state in your name, something that refers to a whole country, that can be restricted. Or you're doing something and you're saying military, maybe